Hey guys, so I'm sick today. So today we're gonna be doing the COVID-19 look because, well, I'm sick and that's the best name I could come up with. So, as you can see, I only have one X in my ear and it's because I'm sick and I don't care. And then the other one's a screw, by the way. I just got that earring and I think it's really cool. Oh, good. Sorry. I hope you're sick with me. That way we could be sick together. But if you're not, that's okay. But I'm just doing my makeup. And you're watching me. Because you're weird. And I'm weird. We're both weird. I don't know. Sorry. Look at my sniff. I cracked myself up. I literally edited it and then I put I did a close up of the sniff because I just thought it was so funny because that's what I would do in my Poopty videos where I played the game called Poopty. I would do like these close ups of him like farting and while his butthole opens. I don't know, I just thought it was so funny. But because it was a game, it was an app called Poopty and I did these little playthroughs of it. You guys should watch it because it's so funny. I love it. But it only has like 7 views. For what? I don't know. It's so funny. Look at that. What? I don't even know what that is. But yeah. And then I'm putting blush on, like a lot of blush because it's a COVID look, and we look sick anyway, so might as well make me look more sick, right? And then I didn't put on any concealer. I just put on eyeliner, cause I don't care. I really don't. And I'm just, it's the COVID look, okay? It's not the glamorous, yeah. And then I put little X's on my eyebrows. Achoo, 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 achoo. Sorry. But yeah, there's that. Oh, sniff. Oh, yeah, I that was when I stopped recording. Well, actually, that's not it yet. I have to sneeze. I'm sorry. But yeah, that's a COVID look. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.